Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an organize with me, the top of my drawer system. This is going to be on the side of my nail desk. And this is where I'm going to put most of my implements that are going to be on top that I'm going to use every single time. Let's get on with the video. So I'm just going to start with this tray that I have here. I put on top. And then on top I'm going to add my brush holders. Right there, my brush holders. And I'm going to divide my brushes on my nail art brushes and dotting tools. And on the implements that I'm going to use, like my brush, gel polish remover or acrylic, whatever you want. My dotting, not my dotting tool, my, how do you call this? My gem picker-upper. My polish removers, you know, this is for, you know, the edges and stuff like that. That will go in there. This is art for art. This is for art. I'm just gonna put it right there since it's magnetic. This is for art. Cuticle pusher. I'm going to put cuticle oil on top of there. I'm going to put this, which is my trash. I thought I was going to use this for putting my files and stuff like that, but it has been so good to have like a small trash beside you just to throw everything in. So that goes there. Let me open this up because I'm going to be using this on top since it didn't fit on my drawers. I'm going to use these small ones. going to use, I think, 2 of them. Yeah. Now I'm going to be adding 3. And on my first one, I'm going to be adding some lint-free wipes. On the next one, I'm going to be using for alcohol swabs. Take some from my drawer, just to. Can I do this? No, not like that. One broke. And another one for some cotton balls. Alright, that's good. What else am I gonna put on top? Oh yeah, I'm gonna put my acetone. I'm gonna put it like that. My acetones. My alcohol spray. This is a 90% alcohol. This is for soaking off, which I don't like it, but I'm using it. There you go. Yeah, I'm liking that. Okay, right in the back. Let me see if this fits. It's just too big. All right, let me just scoot this to the side. Move this over. Okay, fits. It kind of fits. No. Okay, I think it fits like that. I could put that off to the side. Yeah. And I think for that, I'm going to be using for my towels. Okay, so 3 could fit at a time. I could put my extra one on the bottom of the drawer. Okay, that's good. And this one right here, this is also some lint-free pads, so I'm gonna leave it right there. I don't like this sticker. I'm gonna take it off because I really don't like it. So yeah, I think that's about it. That's gonna be on top of my drawer where I'll do my nails or other people's nails, and it'll be easier because it's gonna be out of the way and not bothering me. I hope you guys enjoyed this organized with me, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.